Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video will show you about how to operate a bulldozer, a step-by-step guide. Using the heavy machine requires a degree of finesse. Brush up on the basic. How to use. Bulldozer have the muscle to move heavy material with ease. But driving any type of bulldozer, where dozer, groveler, or mini bulldozer can be challenging even for experienced operators. The best way to learn how to operate a bulldozer is to take a training course. If you need a quick refresher, here are the basic steps. Inspect the bulldozer. Inspect the bulldozer before and after you use it. Look for leaks and visible damage such as scrap, dent, and wear top of the fall oil, coolant, transmission oil, and hydraulic uh, fluid, and check air filter and gas filtering because vibration can loosen door and latch. Check to make sure door can be securely closed and locked so they don't swing open while you drive. Preventive dozer maintenance help you avoid downtime and inspection expensive repair. Enter the bulldozer. Maintain 3 points of contact when climbing into a cab using the safety rail and step. Don't step on the track or your boot might get stuck in the teeth. Grosser fasten your seat which one seat. Start the bulldozer with your foot on the brakes. Hold the key in the ignition and turn it right until the engine turn over. This should happen on the first try, but if the engine is stubborn, release the key and try again. In a few minutes, you could flood the engine if you turn the key for too long. Let the machine idle to warm up the engine. Drive the bulldozer. Here how to drive a bulldozer. Turn the speed control down. It is typically located on the left joystick. 2. Turn the throttle knob right to the run position. It usually located near the ignition on the right side of the cab. 3. Pass the left joystick forward to drive, back to reverse, right or left to change direction. Engage the decelerator uh, pedal and shift the left joystick to the neutral position to stop. Control the blade and ripper. The dozer blade and claw like a ripper located behind the cab in Some model do the heavy work of picking up and moving dirt. Here how to control this part of the dozer. Adjust the blade. High move the right joystick forward to lower it and backward to raise it if the ground is uneven. Angle the blade to the lower side by moving the right joystick right or left. 3. Angle the blade to the right or left using the control button or dial on the right joystick. 4. Eject the ripper by pulling the ripper joystick back. It typically located behind the right hand joystick. Test the control for any sudden or jerky movement before you begin working and troubleshoot any mechanical issue. Shut down the bulldozer. When your work is complete, follow the step to safety. Shut down the bulldozer. 1. Lower the blade and ripper to the ground. 2. Turn the throttle left to the lowest setting. 3. Put the left joystick in the neutral position. 4. Set the parking brake. 5. Let the engine idle for 10 minutes to gradually cool it. 6. Turn the key left to the off position and remove it. 7. Exit the machine using 3 points of contact. How to adjust the track on a bulldozer? If you using a track dozer, it's important to regularly monitor the track tension. If a track is loose, it could slip off the roller. Too much tension, on the other hand, can cause excessive wear. The tear on the engine power loss and turn track. Follow the step to adjust the track on a bulldozer. 1. Cause the bulldozer to stop without using the brakes. 2. Park the turn of the engine. 3. Brush dirt and debris from the track. 4. Lay a string in or string from the cruiser on the front gear to the sprocket. 5. Measure the distance from string to cruiser tip at the lowest point of the shaft. If your dozer has a carrier roller between the idler and sprocket, measure both sides and calculate the average. 6. Check the operator manual to find the recommended set for your model. Usually 2 to 3 in. 7. If you need to adjust the track, find the hydraulic adjustment valve. 6. To tighten, add grease to the valves, run the machine back and forth. Remeasure until proper tension is achieved. 9. To loosen, turn the valve slowly to release some grease. Close the valve when you reach the correct track tension. The detail will vary depending on the make and model or of your bulldozer. If you want to know how to adjust the track on John Deere dozer or example, refer to the operator manual. Uh, Bulldozer operation sensitive. Accidents are possible when operating any heavy equipment to minimize the risk. Follow the safety tip. Wear PPE such as a hard hat, safety uh, goggle, a safety vest, work glove, and steel toe boot. Survey your surrounding for obstacle and personal personnel. Stay well away from power line and water line. Is a door open during operation? Pack the dozer before closing it. Travel at slow speed to maintain control. Use shorter cut so you don't overload the dozer and wear down the machine on slope. Go at the angle start from the bottom on slope. Bulldozer make fast work of clearing and uh, leveling. Brushing up on how to operate bulldozer will help you stay safe and productive. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day. See you next video.